Nano Banana is now inside Photoshop, and honestly, this surprised me. In the beta version of Photoshop, Adobe added the Gemini 2.5 model right into Generative Fill. So today we're going to test it on a few photos, make some changes, and see how good it really is. Let's start with our first picture. A young woman sitting. What if we move her to the beach? It actually looks like she's there, but on the beach you need the right bag, so I swapped hers for a beach bag. Now I just outline the bag and hit Generative Fill. Perfect. Now she's got a summer vibe. Next up, sunglasses. I just typed add sunglasses. And there they were. They fit naturally and her face stayed exactly the same, super clean. I can't believe it's actually this easy to do right inside Photoshop now. Just for fun, I went back to the original photo and changed the season to winter. Snow, colder tones, and the whole mood completely shifted. Really cool. Now, let's look at another shot, a woman walking with an umbrella on the sidewalk. What if we place her in snowy mountains instead? Pretty cinematic, right? But the heels don't work in the snow. So I asked for winter shoes, and it gave her boots. Now she actually looks like she belongs there. Here's something different. A table with two plates. One had toast with cheese, the other with banana. I asked it to remove the plate with banana toast and replace it with a bouquet of flowers, and it nailed it. The right plate disappeared and flowers appeared in its place. Then I asked for red flowers instead and it worked again. Honestly, it looks like the table was always set up that way. And that's the most impressive part. The model keeps people looking like themselves without messing up faces or poses. Plus, it actually understands context, like which plate to remove. Because it's built right into Photoshop, the workflow feels super smooth. Sometimes the lighting or colors don't perfectly match, and you do have to be pretty specific with prompts, but overall, this is seriously impressive. Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 really surprised me. Let me know in the comments what you want me to try next, and of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you next time!